this video, we're going to take a look at the Pay with Product feature. This allows you to pay an influencer with a product or money or a combination of both. So to start off with, scroll to the top of the screen and click Products. As you can see here, we have an already added product. So let's go ahead and add one. We can choose Add Voucher or Add Product from the top. So let's first of all take a look at Voucher. Simply select Gift Voucher or Mandatory Voucher. Type the name of the voucher in. Choose whether it's a PDF, code or a link. Select the category of the voucher from the drop-down menu. And select the number of vouchers. You can also enter the monetary value for the voucher and make a short description. After uploading the image for the voucher, click Save, and that will then add your voucher to the payment process. Adding a product is a similar process. Simply select the category from the drop-down menu, insert the product name, add the monetary value, and add the URL. And after adding the description and uploading an image, your product is now available from a drop-down menu in the campaign setup. So let's take a quick look at what that would look like. So by heading over to Campaigns and clicking New Campaign, we can start a new campaign. And for the sake of this example, I'm going to jump straight to the payment section. Now, after clicking on the pricing per follower range, you'll now see on the right hand side a menu that allows you to select any product that you have uploaded. Now you can choose here to have a monetary value or just your product or just a monetary value. That's the end of the process for adding a payment option of product.